kindergarten friends, it's Miss Middleton with
Mr. Kevin.
Mr. Winchell.
and we're back for lesson number 3, which is called Super Snacks for Me. Did you know that many snacks are good for you? Healthy snacks can help you to grow and be strong. Show us your muscles. And it also helps us to stay healthy. We're going to show you some pictures of some snacks, and you're going to do the motion that we let you know about if you think it's a healthy snack and you would like to eat it, either as a snack at home or a snack in your lunch or after school. So the first one I'm going to start with is strawberries. Do you think strawberries are a healthy snack?
Yeah.
All right, if you think strawberries are a healthy snack and you would like to have this as one of your healthy snacks for the day, put both hands in the air and wave them around. All right, Mr. Kevin, what's your snack?
All right, my healthy snack is string cheese. I personally love string cheese.
Mr. Kevin, what food group is string cheese in?
You know what? Since it's made with milk, it's going to go into the dairy food group. And what letter does dairy start with? Miss Middleton?
It starts with the letter D.
Dairy. Okay, cool. Yeah, I love string cheese. It's definitely one of my go-to snacks. What about you, Mr.
What's
Winchell?
our exercise we're going to do,
Oh.
Mr. Kevin?
Thank you for reminding me. You know what? If you guys like string cheese, blink your eyes super fast, like this.
Mr. Winchell, what's yours?
All right, boys and girls. So my healthy snack is celery. Celery. What food group is celery in? Anybody have any idea?
I have an idea. I think it starts with the letter V, right?
You're right. V for vegetables.
Yup.
And one of the things that Mr. Winchell likes to put on celery is peanut butter.
Oh yeah.
That would make a great snack with lots of energy.
So I'm getting my vitamins and minerals from the veggies, and I'm getting my protein from the peanut butter. So if you like celery, I want you to run in place as fast as you can. Ready? Go! Run, stop! Very good. All right, Miss Middleton.
All right, friends. I have some yogurt. What food group do you think yogurt belongs in?
I think it's the same as the cheese. I think it's dairy.
Do you agree?
You're right.
Do you guys agree? Yes, it is. It's in the dairy food group. And I love to take yogurt and add some fruit to the top of that. For example, I could take my strawberries, which are a fruit, and add them to my yogurt to make a healthy snack.
Miss Middleton, you are full of ideas.
Thanks,
I like
Mr.
that
Kevin.
about you. You're
What
welcome.
other fruit would you put on the top of your yogurt?
Oh, I like blueberries, but aside from fruit, I also like some granola.
Ooh, that would be a good snack.
Yeah.
All right, so if you think that yogurt would be a great healthy snack, I want you to put your hands out in front of you and wiggle your fingers.
All right. Now my second healthy snack is tuna fish. Now, I know some people might make fun of me, but I personally love tuna fish. Now, what food group is tuna fish
I think I know. I think tuna fish is in the protein food group.
in? It is, yeah. And what does protein help us to do? Yeah, to build those muscles, right? Yeah, I love tuna. And do you guys like tuna?
I love tuna.
fish.
Yeah.
I like to put it on a piece of lettuce and wrap it up with the lettuce and then eat it that way. Sometimes without bread.
I've actually never done that, but that sounds pretty amazing, to be honest with you.
It's very good. What exercise are we going to do, Mr. Kevin?
All right. If you guys like tuna fish, let's pretend like we're swimming. All right, ready, set, go. Really fast. Wow. Miss Lisa, I noticed your dog paddling.
I am.
That's pretty impressive.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, boys and girls. So my next healthy snack is a donut. Who here thinks that a donut is a healthy snack? No. Yeah, actually donut is not a healthy snack. Donuts have way too much sugar. Is sugar good for our bodies?
No, unfortunately.
So unfortunately, donut, we have to give a big thumbs down. Sorry.
Alright. Ooh, I like this one. These are great to put in my lunch or even to have after school. This is a granola bar. What food group do you think granola belongs in? This might be a tricky one.
Is it grain?
Yeah, I think it is grains.
You guys are right.
So, Mr. Kevin, what do grains do for our bodies?
I think they give us some good energy.
Very good.
So would this be a great snack to have in the morning, like as part of my breakfast?
Yeah, and you know, now that you mention it, I did say with your yogurt and your strawberries, if you crush that granola bar up and put it in that with this, I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
No. So it is in our grains food group. So G for granola and G for grain. So if you like the granola bar as your healthy snack, let's flap our elbows like we were chickens.
All right, I got one more. And this one, I am so convinced that this is a healthy snack. So can you tell me if it is?
Sure.
All right. It's one of my favorites, chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake, yum.
It's so good, and it's really, really healthy for you, right?
What do you think, boys and girls? Do you think chocolate cake is a good healthy snack? I don't think so.
Oh, man.
Miss Lisa, why do you think chocolate cake is not a good choice?
Well, it tastes really good, but it just fills up your stomach, and then you don't have room for healthy foods to keep your body running well. So it has a lot of fat and a lot of sugar in it.
Yeah, you know, now that you mention it, I kind of know what you're talking about. I have heard that it does have a lot of sugar, and I've heard it called a sometimes food.
I think you're right. It's okay to eat it on your birthday though, right?
I hope so,
Alright.
because I love to eat it on my birthday.
So once in a while or something.
Yeah, once in a while, but now that you mention it, I do feel a lot better when I eat healthy snacks, like string cheese, tuna, granola bar, any of the ones that you guys have said too.
All right, so for my last snack, I have peanuts. Do we think peanuts is a healthy snack?
For sure.
Yes. Peanuts has a lot of something that starts with a P. Any idea what that might be?
Peanuts.
P for
Protein.
Big
peanut.
P.
Protein.
Protein.
So we learned that protein does what? Helps build muscle, right? So protein or peanuts are a very healthy snack, right?
Yeah. Now, you mentioned something earlier that you put on top of your celery. So if you crush those peanuts up, what does that turn into?
I think it was the
Peanut
peanut butter.
Oh, interesting. So peanut butter is a protein because it's made out of peanuts.
And they're a protein too.
Oh, wow. That's so cool. Okay.
All right.
So kindergarten friends, I bet you have your favorite snack. Make sure it's healthy and that it's something that's going to help your body every day. And save the sometimes snacks for just once in a while. Right? We will see you next time for
Thanks,
lesson
guys.
number 4. Have a great day. Eat healthy and exercise.
Bye.